Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Scorpio water sign. This is August weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. Guys, if it is not resonate, don't force to feed in. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Scorpio water sign. It's your reading and it's your card. Scorpio. What's going on, Scorpio? Under the deck, the Hierophant, the Moon, the Emperor, and the Magician. I think you are on your power, you are concentrating on your inner strength, but someone is manifesting here. Maybe you are manifesting them, or they are manifesting you. If you are in separation, if the relationship between you and your person is not good, definitely there is some manifesting is going, but at the same time there are some trust issues. There are some issues are also going between you and your person, especially regarding marriage or commitment. Yes, but you are concentrating on your power because see, Emperor, definitely you are on your power, Scorpio. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Five of Swords, Knight of Swords, and Queen of Cups. Maybe in past they cheated on you, lied to you. Definitely a lot of issues going. There was some communication also. But I think they always in and out of your life. There is no stability. That could be the issue here. But you have strong emotions towards this person. You are very caring and sharing person, Scorpio. Then present Three of Wands, Four of Pentacles, and Three of Swords. Maybe separation. You turn your back from your person, even though it is very painful for you, but you did it. Maybe you have to do it. You are holding back, Scorpio. You are not expressing any emotions, or you are not opening up to anybody. And lots of you are in long distance relationship, living in different cities, countries, or states. Yes. For some, you're still waiting on this person, even though you are in separation, you still have some hope. But right now, you are holding back. Then future, death, Eight of Swords, and King of Wands. Yeah, one type of ending between you and your person, but you still stuck on them. You still getting a lot of thoughts, but you are trying to out of those thoughts because you are working on yourself. King of Wands, you want to take your control back. In future, you will working on yourself definitely because to out of this stuck energy. And the person involved in this connection could be a lot of air energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, then Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, then Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, could be another Scorpio. So Scorpio, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions, then we will get more clarity. Ten of Pentacles, Nine of Wands, Strength, and Four of Pentacles. They also not expressing, maybe they're having hard time to express their feelings, maybe they're scared. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Leo. Yeah, they are guarded up. For some, maybe your person is already married, third party involved, they have kids. For some, your person won't marry you, but they're not expressing, they're not opening up because family could be the issue here. So let's see their current feelings and intentions here. Under the deck, Ten of Wands, Five of Wands, and King of Cups, and Queen of Swords. They do love you. Definitely they do love you, but they're not expressing. Maybe a lot of drama is going, maybe in their life family could be the issue here, maybe their family not accepting your love or your marriage. They're feeling overburdened, their emotions are running high. For some, this relationship may be becoming hard work for them. Maybe they have no time for this relationship also. So their current feelings, page of wands, death, and nine of swords. Definitely they want rebirth in this connection, guys. They want to communicate with you. For some, definitely will receive text or communication or call from your person, and lots of you both have age differences. Definitely your person missing you so much. They're losing their nights over you. Their sleep patterns are disturbing because nine of swords energy, lot of depression, anxiety energy. Then their intentions, eight of swords, two of cups, and judgment. Definitely they are stuck on you. You are stuck on them. Definitely you both are stuck. You both are each other mind a lot. Because this love is mutual. Two of cups. You both are connected spiritually. This could be a soulmate connection. And judgment. Definitely there will be some decision making, especially from your person's side. They will make their decision because they're missing you so much and they do love you. For some, they are in some dilemma or they are in some confusion, but they will make their decision. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. They will make a move. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be chariot. So right now they're at some crossroads. They're juggling, but they will make the decision. Then they will come back. But they're in slow moving energy. Chariot. Some cycles are going to be ended and some going to be begin. Yeah, their confusion. They're taking rest. They're healing to get clarity. Yeah, they will get clarity. They will make decision. For some, you both could be Scorpios. I think you are very defensive. Yeah, you are on your power no matter what happening. You are on your power, Scorpio. You are defensive. Yes, you are manifesting something big into your life. Maybe you are manifesting relationship. You are manifesting success. You are manifesting job. Yeah, after transformation, after their separation, there is a tower moment for you. But after that, you will manifest. You will be in magician energy. Yes. So let's see mutual energies. Trust issues, some illusions. Yes, right now you both are in very sad. Right now you both are very sad and lot of illusions and trust issues between, and you both thinking about each other a lot. Yeah, there is apology, communication is coming. Definitely there will be communication. You both want rebirth in this connection, but there are some issues. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Scorpio. I am feeling sad without you. Reconciliation. And religious factors. All I want is you. So the messages are, I am feeling sad without you. All I want is you. Reconciliation and religious factors. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you. Scorpio. Confidence is your key to success, new moon in Leo. So whatever you're doing, be confident because confidence is your key to success. New moon in Leo especially. Let's see another message. A new romantic cycle begins, new moon in Libra. So definitely for some, a new romantic cycle is going to be begin, especially when new moon in Libra. Libra energy. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.